Does cracking your knuckles lead to arthritis? Or is it just an old myth parents used to scare you? Let's crack into the truth. The sound you hear? That's gas bubbles popping in your joints, not bones grinding. But does all that popping actually damage your joints over time? Studies show no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. One doctor even cracked the knuckles on one hand for 60 years. And guess what? No arthritis. So, while it might annoy everyone around you, cracking your knuckles is totally safe for your joints. Crack responsibly!